Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a revolution in luxury travel. This is not just a motorhome, it's a statement. This is the 2026 McLaren Motorhome. It was created using the same DNA as the most incredible hypercars in the world, and its look is a stunning fusion of modern design and racetrack aerodynamics. Every line and curve has a distinct purpose and is made of carbon fiber for optimal strength and low weight. Its matte gray paint and unique LED light highlights, which are evocative of the old McLaren Senna, make it look like it is moving at 100 kilometers per hour even when it is stopped. But this beauty is more complex than it first appears. Reminiscent of a race vehicle, this artwork hides a hybrid V8 twin-turbo engine with over 900 horsepower. It proves that its blend of electric efficiency and brute muscle can sustain a 5-star hotel and a Ferrari on wheels. You'll find a pilot-specific command center within the cockpit. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive, curved OLED display that is a masterwork of understated design. From infotainment and navigation to a comprehensive performance overview of the hybrid system, everything is shown with breathtaking clarity. The dash is upholstered in premium leather and carbon fiber trim, and the steering wheel feels appropriately weighted in your hands, drawing inspiration from the McLaren Artura. You may engage with the machine here and witness the precision and enthusiasm of McLaren engineers. When you step out of the cockpit, the scene shifts to a spacious, open-plan living area. The inside is a contemporary luxury masterpiece that expertly combines style and utility. A sleek and calm atmosphere is produced by the subtle mood lighting, which draws attention to a neutral color palette and crisp, angular forms. The furniture's lightweight composite construction and high-quality Alcantara covering prioritize comfort without compromising elegance. Thanks to the chair's flexibility to rotate and recline, the lounge can be turned into an immersive home cinema experience with a huge, retractable screen and an excellent sound system. You'll find that the bedroom is a sanctuary designed to encourage the best possible sleep. It has gentle lighting, clean lines, and a serene ambience. A king-sized bed with a high-density memory foam mattress offers unparalleled comfort. The hidden cabinets and compartments that run the length of the walls provide a great deal of storage without taking up much space. A large panoramic window at the head of the bed allows you to wake up to stunning views of the outside while still enjoying complete privacy. There is no denying the bathroom's superb design. The concept of a wet bath is improved with a rain shower head and a walk-in shower with tempered glass. The design smoothly integrates a smart mirror, a touch-sensitive faucet, and a sink and toilet. A stunning and durable heated composite material is used to make the flooring. This section, which emphasizes economy and design, shows how luxurious even a small space may appear. The kitchen is a chef's dream come true with all of its modern gadgets. A full-size refrigerator with a freezer, a combined convection microwave, and a 2-burner induction cooktop are all features of the elegant cabinetry. The countertops, which are made of a modern, durable composite material, provide a surprisingly vast surface area and creative storage for all of your culinary needs. It offers the luxurious ambience you would expect from a modern penthouse, and it is equipped so you may cook delectable meals whenever you choose.